Dogecoin cost generally remained at $0.0809 a coin, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present range, $0.0807, $0.0822 in a fundamentally enormous way. Yesterday's nearby, $0.0809. Extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change, 0.0000% in an unobtrusive way. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Doge in an especially significant way. Dogecoin value expectation for later week and month, which all things considered, is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, February 27. Least cost $0.073. Lovely greatest $0.083. And by the day's end, cost $0.078 a coin, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By and large least cost $0.072, really greatest $0.082, and by the day's end, cost $0.077 a coin, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 1, least cost $0.072. Truly greatest $0.082, and by the day's end, cost $0.077 a coin, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 2, least cost $0.069, certainly greatest $0.079, and by the day's end, cost $0.074 a coin, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, walk 3, by and large least cost $0.070, greatest $0.080, and by the day's end, cost $0.075 a coin in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week Doge to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 6, fundamentally least cost $0.068, by and large greatest $0.078, and by the day's end, cost $0.073 a coin, which sort of is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, by and large least cost $0.069, certainly most extreme $0.079, and by the day's end, cost $0.074 a coin. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, walk 8, sort of least cost $0.071, fundamentally most extreme $0.081, and by the day's end, cost $0.076 a coin incredibly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, fundamentally least cost $0.068, essentially greatest $0.078, and by the day's end, cost $0.073 a coin, which generally is very huge. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 10, truly least cost $0.073, in every way that really matters, most extreme $0.083, and by the day's end, cost $0.078 a coin, or so they thought. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, fundamentally least cost $0.073, lovely most extreme $0.085, and toward the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin, which is genuinely critical. Doge to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, in every practical sense. Least cost $0.073, fundamentally most extreme $0.085, and by the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin in a significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, lovely least cost $0.073 in every practical sense, greatest $0.085, and toward the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 16, truly least cost $0.073, truly greatest $0.085, and by the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin in an especially large manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, beautiful least cost $0.073, most extreme $0.085, and by the day's end, cost $0.079 a coin in a fundamentally enormous manner. In 3 weeks Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, Walk 20, most certainly least cost $0.066, especially greatest $0.076, and by the day's end, cost $0.071 a coin, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 21, lovely least cost $0.064, most extreme $0.074, and by the day's end, cost $0.069 a coin, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Wednesday, Walk 22, least cost $0.066, essentially greatest $0.076, and by the day's end, cost $0.071 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23, fundamentally least cost $0.064, sort of greatest $0.074, and toward the day's end, cost $0.069 a coin, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, Walk 24, least cost $0.063, kind of greatest $0.073, and by the day's end, cost $0.068 a coin, or so they sort of thought. In about a month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27, fundamentally least cost $0.063, most extreme $0.073, and toward the day's end, cost $0.068 a coin, which explicitly is very critical. Doge to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, Walk 28, least cost $0.065, most certainly greatest $0.075, and by the day's end, cost $0.070 a coin, in a kind of significant manner. United States dollars to Doge today, which is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Doge conversion scale especially remained at 12.3594 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach, 12.1669, 12.3870, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Yesterday's nearby, 12.3594 in a by and large significant way. The change, 0.00000% in a significant way. United States dollars to Doge conjecture for later week and month, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, February 27, by the day's end conversion scale 12.82 coins, least 12.05, and certainly most extreme 13.70 in an unobtrusive manner. United States dollars to Doge expectations on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end conversion scale 12.99 coins, sort of least 12.20, and by and large greatest 13.89 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, Walk 1, by the day's end conversion scale 12.99 coins, certainly least 12.20.